Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best universal remote for LG smart TVs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the one for all universal remote control for LG TV. One of the main advantages of the one for all universal remote control is its easy setup. All you need to do is insert the batteries and you're ready to go. Adding to the appeal of this universal remote control is the ability to work with all LG TVs, LCD, LED, OLED, plasma panels. The learning feature of this remote is a big plus. It allows you to customize the remote to suit your unique needs and preferences, improving the overall user experience. The included quick setup guide comes in handy for no-code setup, making it easy to use even for those who aren't very tech-savvy. The one for all universal remote is distinguished by its app shortcuts, which provide direct access to your favorite streaming services. This feature is ideal for those who frequently use streaming platforms, as it provides quick and easy access to your favorite content. This 50-button remote offers a lot of functions without overwhelming the user. The buttons are well placed and comfortable for easy use. However, please note that it requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included in the package. In terms of technology, the remote works using infrared, IR, technology. This is the most common technology for remote controls and is known for its reliability and ease of use. Moving on at number 4, we have the GE Universal Remote Control for LG TV. The GE Universal Remote is a reliable option for those who want to control multiple devices from a single location. Balancing versatility and user-friendliness, this remote truly lives up to the label, universal. The standout feature of the GE Universal Remote is its ability to control up to 4 different audio and video components. Whether you have a Blu-ray, DVD player, satellite receiver, Roku box, soundbar, or any other streaming media player, this remote is designed to control it all. The ability to control multiple devices makes it a versatile addition to your home entertainment system. The remote comes with an impressive library of codes, making it compatible with all major brands. It's pre-programmed for LG, Samsung and Vizio TVs, and supports thousands of the latest audio and video devices. This wide range of compatibility reduces the chance of device mismatches, offering you a wider range of control options. What's particularly commendable about this versatile remote control is its easy setup process. The inclusion of an easy-to-understand online setup video, auto-scan technology, and a master volume control ensures quick and hassle-free setup. The master volume control provides added convenience by allowing you to control the volume regardless of the device you're using. At number 3, we have the LG Magic Remote Control for LG Smart TV. The LG Magic Remote Control is an intuitive, smart, and efficient way to control your LG TV. It's designed to work seamlessly with select LG TV models, offering a range of smart features that enhance your entertainment experience. One of the key benefits of the LG Magic Remote Control is its dedicated hotkeys for Netflix and Prime Video. This feature is ideal for movie lovers and cinephiles, providing instant access to these popular streaming platforms with just one touch. The remote stands out for its integration with Google Assistant and Alexa. This allows you to use voice commands to control your TV, providing a hands-free and extremely convenient user experience. The LG Magic Remote Control features intuitive mouse pointer-like controls and a control wheel. This unique feature provides a more interactive and immersive viewing experience, allowing you to navigate on-screen menus and interfaces with ease and precision. However, it's important to note that this remote is only compatible with certain LG TV models, including the ZX, WX, GX, CX, BX, Nano 99, Nano 97, Nano 91, Nano 90, Nano 85, Nano 81, Nano 80, UN 85, and UN 73 series. Be sure to check if it works with your specific model before purchasing. At number 2, we have the Philips Universal Remote Control for LG Smart TV. The Philips Universal Remote is packed with features that make it a reliable tool for controlling your LG TV and other devices. With the ability to control multiple devices and an extensive code library, it's a versatile and effective choice. The defining feature of the Philips Universal Remote is its ability to control up to 3 different audio and video components. You can use this remote to control TVs, Blu-ray, DVD players, cable, satellite receivers, Roku boxes, streaming media players, soundbars, whatever you want. This multi-device control feature greatly enhances the user experience by providing comprehensive control with a single remote control. However, it's important to note that the Philips Universal Remote does not work with Roku, Fire TV, or other RF streaming devices. This limitation could be a deal-breaker if you use these devices frequently. In terms of setup, this all-in-one remote is impressive in its simplicity. A user-friendly online instructional video, auto-scan technology, and a master volume control further simplify the setup process while enhancing the user experience. The master volume control allows you to adjust the volume no matter what device you're working with. And finally at number 1, we have the EWO'S Universal Remote Control for all LG Smart TV. The EWO Universal Remote Control for all LG Smart TVs delivers a combination of simplicity, efficiency, and environmental friendliness, making it a great choice for LG TV owners. The EWO Universal Remote is all about simplicity. It works right out of the box, eliminating the need for complicated setup processes. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, not included, and you're ready to replace your original remote control flawlessly. This remote features a fast response time of less than 0.2 seconds, which ensures fast and efficient control of your TV. In addition, the buttons of the remote control are made of silicone, which provides a soft touch and dust resistance. With over 150,000 keystrokes, this remote control has been tested to ensure its durability. With the EWO Universal Remote Control, distance is not an issue. Thanks to its infrared technology, it boasts the strongest signal, providing precise control from up to 10 meters or 33 feet away. This feature enhances its convenience by allowing you to control your LG Smart TV from anywhere in the room. In addition to its functionality, this remote control is also environmentally friendly. Made of recyclable ABS material, it is durable and environmentally friendly. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.